Hi again, guys. Okay, so I will show her cutting on, yep, this is probably about 15 or 16 inch larch. So everything working on the saw, kill switch, throttle lock, chain brake, etc. And she has, let's leave that off, excellent compression. Always been a fabulous starting saw as well. Hey guys, so I hope that does that some type of justice. That's just a gorgeous little thin disc which I've managed to take off there. And so running a semi-chisel chain, if anybody wanted it to cut, I guess, faster and more aggressive, you could certainly put it on a full chisel chain if that's what your preference was. I think it's probably a little bit more a more manageable saw with the semi chisel on, and I think she could possibly be just sharpened very slightly, but she's a beautiful running engine, just beautiful. Throttle lock. Guys, thanks for watching. That's my gorgeous Rancher 61. She's up for sale on eBay and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. So if there was any criticism I had for the saw, literally it would only be the tiniest crack on the top right hand back cover, and that would be it. Guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please just ask. Bye for now.